Hello travelers! Today, let's dive into Ostia Antica, a day trip from Rome. Get ready to explore charming towns, ancient ruins, beaches, and breathtaking landscapes. We have previously made a video on the places to visit inside Rome. If you haven't watched yet, be sure to watch it and the link is in the description below. Visitors can explore the day trips from Rome either by train, bus, or by private transport. Tickets to train and bus can be purchased at any metro station, at newsstands, and in most corner shops. If you are planning to use public transport regularly, we recommend that you buy few tickets at a time or buy a travel card. For more information about travel and places to visit inside Rome, refer to the video link mentioned in the description. Many private websites also offer day trips from Rome to different places in Italy. Now, let's get started. Ostia Antica was one of the most thriving Roman seaports during Julius Caesar's time, and now a giant, 100-hectare archaeological park with many excavations. You can reach Ostia Antica in 1 hour from Termini Station Rome by taking Roma Lido suburban train line. Refer to the train maps and ATAC website to find the nearest metro station to your location. You can also travel by bus, but it takes more than 1 hour from Tiburtina Station. You need to get to Piazza Venezia in Rome and hop on the bus to Ostia Antica. Reach here by 10 a.m. to make the most of your day. The main attraction here is, of course, the archaeological site itself, a 5-minute walk from the railway station. There is a small restaurant and bar along the way. Have a cup of espresso or breakfast if needed. Ostia Antica Archaeological Site is established in the 7th century BCE for trade and military purposes. The archaeological park contains numerous excavations, including the Theater of Marcus Agrippa, which could accommodate 3,000 people, along with many houses, public baths known as Baths of Neptune, temples, and numerous mosaics. It's estimated that approximately 2/3 of the ancient city has been uncovered through these excavations. Give yourself half of the day to completely explore archaeological site. Next, get on the train at Ostia Antica and head to Lido Centro Station, which takes about 10 minutes. Walk to Lido Beach, a popular seaside destination offering sandy beaches along the Tyrrhenian Sea, with amenities such as beach clubs, restaurants, and bars. You can have lunch either at the beach or at archaeological site. It is better to have lunch at the beach, as there are multiple food options. There are both private and public beaches here. Consider taking a bus to the beaches that are far away from Lido Centro Station. Relax in the beach for the second half of the day and head back to Rome in the evening. Another option to consider for second half of the day is to enjoy at Fiumicino beaches. Mediterraneo Beach is one of the good public beaches in this area. To reach here, consider taking a bus or taxi. Taxi is the best option as you can reach in 15 minutes and they can be found at designated stands, train stations, or order one by phone or app. Bus takes more than an hour as you need to hop on multiple buses. This beach offers a beach bar, restaurant, and a lively disco at night. Soak in the sun, savor the flavors, and dance the night away. If shopping is a preferred option, you can go for shopping at Parco Leonardo shopping mall near Fiumicino Airport. Walk to the Via della Torre Clementina bus stop from the beach and hop on the bus to Parco Leonardo shopping mall. You can have dinner either at the shopping mall or after heading back to Rome by train. You can head to Rome by taking train from Parco Leonardo to Fiumicino Aeroporto train stop. From there, take another train to Termini Station or your preferred train station. Here are some tips to remember before visiting Ostia Antica. Consider hiring a guide or using an audio guide to enhance your experience and learn more about the history of Ostia Antica. If you are coming from Rome's Fiumicino Airport, you can take a taxi from the airport, which will cost you approximately 30 to 40 euros one way. There are no facilities to store your luggage at Ostia Antica. It would be best to store your luggage at your hotel or at the main Termini rail station. Allow at least half a day to visit Ostia Antica. There is little shade at Ostia Antica. Wear a hat and sunglasses, slather on sunscreen, wear comfortable shoes and bring a big bottle of water with you. Bring a packed lunch if you are coming with a family or group. There was a restaurant on site, but it was not cheap. Be prepared to leave a bit early as buses might be delayed. Make sure to check opening and closing timings before you visit any place. It is recommended to check the train and bus timings in advance before traveling to any place.